hear noise in the background. I want to break my food. Cooked this yesterday. I marinated the jerk chicken from Sunday. And I was like, I was cooking on Monday, but I'm like, I was lazy. Because I did cook Sunday, but I didn't cook I didn't cook the chicken, I cooked turkey neck. I need to go on this again. Like, I feel like something wrong with that microwave. Today's March 16th. Yeah. Taking them off. Because I'm tired of them. Anyways. The weather is nice today. Today is like, what, 60 something degrees, is it? I'm not seeing my face. Sure. I'm about to take this bottle away. My face. There you go. Alright. So, my head is cut off. Listen. Because my food is in the way. We mushy. Okay, so I cooked this rice and peas. It's mixed vegetable with it. I cooked the rice and peas Sunday. And I used brown rice. And I had y'all seen in the previous video. It was brown rice and turkey neck. So I made this. I had seasoned the chicken from Sunday. Cause I'm gonna cook it in the week when I come from work. So I was lazy Tuesday, so no, I was lazy Monday. Cause I'm like, I don't feel like cooking right now. So I cooked it yesterday. Jerk chicken. I haven't eaten big jerk chicken in so long. I'm about to blow up my phone. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, pimento. Ew. Cannot take this pimento. 65 degrees outside. Look there. Spring is here. It's gonna rain tomorrow though. But whatever. Yeah. So yeah. I'm like, okay, so y'all see in the video, the first video, the travel video, I had on my mother pin on my jacket, right? When I got on the plane, it's like it fell off. No, before I got on the plane, it fell off. So I took the jacket off. I'm like, what the hell? No, I had the jacket on. I'm like, I took it off when I was sitting down, waiting to get boarded. But I got on the plane and it wasn't on my jacket. I'm like, damn, man. I mean, I have another one, but I didn't want to lose it. Honestly, that's either me, either mine or Gemini's. So I have another one, but still.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Sure. Like I put some cake over there.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, no cake. Okay, no cake eating. tell you when I go there. Oh, this is the iced tea with lemon thing. You know the packet thing I've been buying from Dollar Tree. This one is iced tea and lemon. What's that? It's jerky and everything. Oh my god. Tonight is the season finale of Sisters. Oh my god. I'm taking my nails off. You know, I should have wanted these nails shorter than this. It's like when you go to the, I don't know. Like when you tell them short, it's like they don't know what you mean. And I think that girl was a newbie too. I had to tell her to fill in the sides because it wasn't like filled in properly with the nail polish. I'm like, if I'm paying you, you're gonna do what I want. Right. I mean, there's attitudes when you tell them to do something, to fix something. Right. I'm paying you my money. I am not leaving out of here until you get my hands right. I still wasn't freaking perfect how I was supposed to be. I know I should have went on Utica. That's how I always go. I'm going on Utica and St. John's. I was just so lazy to go to take the train or the bus over here. I don't know what to do for my birthday. I have 2 things in mind, but I'm not sure. It does include a trip though. And this ticket that I have from last year. I had the credit thing from last year. Travel credit for my last birthday trip that I didn't go to because my mom passed away. I was trying to use it to go to Jamaica, but they're telling me I gotta pay $400 to change it. I wanna go to Dubai. I'm gonna go to Dubai. I was just on Instagram. They have like a page where like a group of people go on trips together. But honestly, I don't know. But the price I see was, she said the payment now is $2,600. Hello. I'm actually trying to go to Jamaica too. Like I'm confused. It's between LA, Jamaica, and Dubai. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. I'm thinking about how much it is to go to Jamaica on my birthday. Let me see.